How to delete weapons in Blox Fruits. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in Blox Fruits, you can't get rid of weapons like swords or guns after you get them. The game does not let you remove weapons from your inventory. So why can't you delete the weapons? Weapons stay in your account forever once you get them, and there is no way to drop, sell, or delete swords, guns, or accessories. This is to make sure players don't accidentally lose rare items. So what you can do instead is you can ignore the unused weapons. Just don't use the weapons you don't want. Use the weapon you like the best and focus on making it better. Organize your inventory mentally. And you can't change the order of the weapon inventory, but try to remember where your favorite weapons are so that you can find them faster. And use the inventory filters if you're on PC. If the game adds filters or sorting in the future, it will be easier to manage your weapons. So even if you don't use a weapon now, it might be helpful later for combos, fighting other players, or fighting bosses. Some older or weak weapons are needed to upgrade or awaken the other weapons in later parts of the game. Even though you can't delete weapons, they don't take up space or cause problems. Someday, the extra sword might be very useful. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.